Hey guys, so we're going to look at how to make an image transparent so that you can overlay this on other images and or make this into clip art and or sell. So it's just the skills how we make this happen. So I'm going to insert a picture of Kate Middleton, who is Prince William's wife. Now what I want is just to do the outline of her head without all the background. And this is really easy in Canva. So all you do is you click onto the photo, you go up to edit photo here, click it, and then you're going to go straight to BG remover, which is background. And instantaneously it's going to take away the background. And that is really good to go. How do I know this is transparent? Well, I'm going to go down to background and I'm going to put in this little background of music, and you can see that it is definitely transparent. You can move it over to the side, and if you wanted to use this picture like that, you can put text over here and then you can make it into whatever you like. And if you wanted to, you can just download this as whatever. It could be video, it could be a PNG or a standard PDF or a print PDF, whatever you like. Let's go to a new page. Now this time I'm going to get an image of Margot Robbie, which is very, very busy in the background. And this is how good Canva is with its background remover. Even though it's quite busy here, it does take it away. So we're going to go back up to click into the photo, up to edit photo, and we're going to go to background remover here. And once again, you've got a really good transparent background. And just to show you that, I'm going to Command C and Command V and show you that actually I have her twice. I've just cut and pasted her twice. Definitely transparent. And let's go to a new page. I'm going to find one that's going to be quite tricky this time. So I'm going to go into photos. And as you can see, I've got this image here. It's very, very busy. Although AI is very good, it's not spectacular. So I can imagine it actually going to take out this and this and this and this. It'll take out the background, but it might leave in the brick. It just won't be a clean outline that it'll take. So let's click into the photo, edit photo, background remover. Okay, so that's pretty good actually, although it's got the foreground here. Again, it is transparent, but you've got these little itty bitties here. And it's probably not going to work that well. However, if you wanted to keep the side, what you could do is you could go into edit photo and magic erase it if you've got the pro account. And with this, keep your finger down at all times. So I'm trying to get rid of all of this flower. And magically it erases that. But again, it's not perfect with what's left over. But yes, it works with some images and not with others. Let's go back. Okay, so far so good with this. Great with that. And as you can see, I've got Marilyn Monroe, and this is the original photo that I took the background off. That's it there, and it's got a nice plain background, so that's going to make it nice and transparent. Let's go look at some more. I've got Princess here, and so I just found her online, and as you can see, this cartoon is now transparent, and that could be a clip art for personal use, of course. I don't think Disney would like it if you sold this on somehow, but I just made a background just to show you what it looks like. Now we've got Emma Stone, and I've done the same with her. I put a whole bunch of different backgrounds in Canva. A happy birthday. Maybe it's, you know, your daughter's or your cousin, Bethany. She's having a birthday. You just want to send this on to her as a JPEG, upload it to Facebook or Instagram and just paste it off, or an email. Maybe she's at a wedding. This looks quite good. Maybe it's you want to put your face in there with a plain background as much as possible. And her at a cityscape and her in the circus. Let's do one more. This is an image of Zendaya, but I'm actually going to open it from a desktop. So there it is. That's from my desktop. Really what I want to show you, if you have a Mac, how to easily take out the background if you're using just the photo by itself without Canva. So all you do is you click into this little pencil, which is basically, it's called the markup tool. And then you're going to go down to this little instant alpha, I call it the magic wand. Click into that, and then you're going to find this M, whatever that is, and you're going to slightly go down and select it and then get rid of it. Now let's go to the plain blue background as much as possible. You do have to be careful with this because, as you can see, it's going over the image, so it's not going to be perfect and you'll be there for a while getting rid of everything you see here. As you can see, it's really rough around the outside. So if you really care about a perfect image, I would suggest that you go to Canva or another website that takes away the background. Let me tell you about a few. Okay, so we're going to go into clippingimage.com, and this is it here. So the default image I am going to bring up will be so it's going to be this image here. Okay, so that looks pretty good for clippingmagic.com, and as you can see it's pretty clean and crisp, just like Canva is. I'm going to download this here and I'm going to show you what it looks like. There's a subscription plan. This is US dollars, I would assume, $6.49 per month. That's per credit, up to 75 credits. So I think it's quite a lot for the credits that you get, to be honest, unless you've got the money to spend, that is. This is also a background remover. It's called icons8.com, and as you can see I've already done this and that's been downloaded. Another one is photoscissors.com. This is it here, and this is it here, and again she looks pretty good, slightly larger, so you've got all these photos text layers that you could use. I've downloaded that one as well. The next one is photor.com. Upload a photo. So it's uploading. So as you can see, Photo Basic has limited access, 100 credits per month, and it's not very clear about what you can get. Let's do the background remover and see how good it is. Remember, this is photor.com. Most of them are pretty good. See, that one's pretty good as well. So I've downloaded this one. And lastly is pixelcut.ai. There is the address up there. So I'll move it down just a bit. And this is probably my favorite one. So I'm going to go into background remover. I'm going to upload the image. And that's pretty awesome. You can get Pro if you wanted to. You can open editor for free and upscale. That's what it looks like there. And upscale image 2 times or 4 times. 4 times you do have to pay. You have to get Pro. Done. And then I can download that upscaled version. Now let's go and see how much Pro is. So it's monthly $10, yearly $60, but unlimited background removals, which is awesome. And also batch editing photos. So if you've got a whole bunch of them, like 20, you can throw them all in at the same time and get rid of the backgrounds just like that. So let's quickly have a look and compare these. Now as you can see, some of these are larger than others and some are clearer than others, but some are samples. So this is remove BG, this is their sample, and if you want to get a larger one you have to, the HD, you have to actually buy their subscription. That's remove BG sample. This one is Clipping Magic. This one's quite clear even though it's a sample. I quite like this one. Let's move that over there. This one here is Pixel Cut that I just did, and I do like that one because it comes out quite large. There's Pixel Cut again. This one here is Canva.com. Now you can even upscale in Canva.com. This is not upscaled. This is Photo Scissors sample. Again, it's a small one. So they're pretty much of a muchness, to be honest, but they're all transparent background, which means they could be easily overlaid and clip art. So let's go back to Margot Robbie, and you might be wondering, but how do I make this into a clip art, or how do I download this just with her on it from Canva? Well, that's easy. So just click on her face, go to share, make sure you are on download. You go to download first, then you don't want a video, you want to make this into a PNG. So slide up PNG for best images, and you can size them up if you want or just leave it as is. But this is important, transparent background, you must tick it, and then easy, you just download, and it's going to my personal downloads. And I'll show you what that looks like. The next video I'm going to show you how to make Margot Robbie and some celebrities into cartoon using Canva. Let's go into a blank. Let's put in a background. Let's put in this one, nice and star. Let's go back into our downloads, and I'm going to grab her there with the PNG file, and as you can see right there, she is transparent again. So guys, this does work. So I hope this was really helpful. Please like, share and subscribe, and have a beautiful, blessed day.